Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account first. After logging in, you will end up within the home page from which you can choose from various different games that you can play. Now, if you wish to change the language for the application, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on Setting. This will now take you into the settings page where you will see the switch languages option. Go ahead and tap on this option and you will now be able to choose from the various different languages that are available for this platform. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use and this will now restart the application and apply your language change right away. And you can come back to this menu at any point of time in the future in order to change your language once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Blockman Go application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.